you beautiful people out there, welcome back to Bird Time. Today I have a special challenge planned for myself. There's the lookout of Salento up here. And I've been up there a few times, but it's been actually quite a while, at least a week or two that I haven't been up there. And today I'm gonna challenge myself to get up there. So lately it has been raining a lot. I didn't go out so much, I didn't go hike last week like I usually do. So I don't feel in great shape and I really want to change that. And I know a great reward is the lookout of Salento. So today I am gonna challenge myself to hike up all the stairs within 2 minutes.
It's
a lot of stairs all the way up there. How long do you think it takes to go up?
No idea.
So I've been up there minutes? A few times.
Okay.
And actually today I'm trying to do it in 2 minutes for my YouTube channel.
Okay.
But I don't know if I can make it in 2 minutes.
Yeah. So about 10 minutes maybe?
Yeah. Okay, so I do think this is quite the challenge, but I'm ready to do it. Got my timer, and I'm gonna play the timer for you guys up here so you can see if I make it. So let's get ready. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Running in the beginning, don't know if that's smart. Woo. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. 12 seconds, 13, 14. Oh, it's wet here, it's been raining. Okay, 30 seconds coming up. 30 seconds, there we go. Gonna try this. I can't stop, usually I do some breaks. Not today. Just gotta keep walking. Whew. Keep walking. Man coming out the bushes. Woo. Okay. 1 minute. I'm almost halfway, so I have to be a little quicker. So many steps. Hola. Oh my god. It's 1.5 minutes. I'm really out of breath, but I can see the end. 15 seconds. Oh my god. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I did it. 2 minutes. Oh my god. Last second. I'm dying.
Okay, como quieras.
I did it. I can't believe it. Let's go. Enjoy the view. Oh my god. I'm actually still shaky in my muscles from running up. So the lookout of Salento, the Mirador, the most famous lookout up here, is actually my favorite spot to come up to just look and like enjoy the far view and just get a bit of out of my head and just like get on top of things whenever I'm in a bad headspace or when I just feel like things are crumbling around me. So that's like the place to come to, where I just enjoy sitting and looking out at the lookout. But like I said, it's been a while that I was up here and I can't believe I did it in 2 minutes. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section below if you actually thought I would make it or not. To those who believed in me, thank you guys. I know you got my back. And to the other ones, I proved you wrong. Alright, that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Bye!